Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So there is one update about the Indian Institute of Management Lucknow. The calls for IIM Lucknow are out. Basically these are the proper calls on the basis of your CAT score. Like IIM Rohtak, you need not to fill up any application form or like this. So do check with your mail ID which you have mentioned during your CAT examination process. So here you can see there are more than 26,000 plus candidates who have applied for MBA, and out of that there are 12,461 candidates get the shortlist call for MBA program. Whereas if we consider the MBA in Agribusiness Management, then there are more than 20,000 plus candidates who have applied for this program, and out of this number there are 12,824 students get the shortlist call for MBA in ABM. And if we consider the MBA in SM, then there are more than 20,000 plus candidates who have applied for this program, and out of this there are 2,416 candidates get the shortlist call for MBA in SM. If we consider the overall composite score, then if you are from general category with a composite CAT score of 72.36 or more than that, then for sure 100% you might receive the call from IIM Lucknow. Similarly with the EWS, NCOBC, SCST, General PWD, EWS PWD, NCOBC PWD, SC PWD, ST PWD, the overall composite scores are mentioned in this chart. So here you can see in this table, the cells highlighted in the yellow color indicates that the candidates are shortlisted for the respective programs. On the basis of the composite score, the calls for stage 1 are out. Here if we consider the composite score, then those are calculated on the basis of various parameters. Like your CAT score has 60% weightage for the MBA, MBA in ABM and MBA in SM program. Then your 12th marks has 10% weightage for the MBA, MBA in ABM and MBA in SM program. Your graduation marks has the 10% weightage for all the three programs. Then work experience has the 10% weightage for MBA and 10% weightage for the MBA in SM program. If we consider the diversity factor, then the 5% weightage is over there for the MBA program, 20% weightage is over there for the MBA in ABM and 5% weightage is over there in the MBA in SM. And if we consider the diversity factor, then in that 5% weightage is for the MBA program, 5% weightage was for the ABM and 5% weightage for the MBA in SM. So the calls are already out. Now there is no use of thinking about this. Now the point is about the conversion of that call. After the VAT and PI round, there is a final score calculation. So in that the 30% weightage is given to your CAT score for the MBA program and MBA in SM program, and 35% weightage is given to the CAT score for MBA in ABM program. If we consider the academic performance, that is your 12th marks and graduation marks, then it will have the 5 plus 5% weightage for the MBA and MBA and SM program, and similarly with the MBA in ABM program. If we consider the diversity factor, then it will have the 5% weightage. Then your work experience will have the 5% weightage for the MBA and MBA in SM program. Then your VAT score will have the 10% weightage for the MBA, MBA SM and MBA in Agribusiness Management program. If we consider the personal interview, then it will have the 40% weightage for the MBA program, MBA in SM program and MBA in ABM program. So here your overall performance in the VAT and PI round will decide about the conversion of the IIM Lucknow call. If we consider the overall batch profile for the IIM Lucknow, then there are 571 students, and out of 571 students, there are 407 candidates are the male students and 164 candidates are the female students, and they are from the different educational background. Like there are 86 candidates are from the IITs, 96 candidates are from the NITs, SRCC से 20 candidates है, from the BITS there are 8 candidates. And if we talk about the work experience, then there are 157 candidates who are freshers and 156 candidates who have the work experience in between 25 to 36 months. 43 candidates have the work experience in between 1 to 12 months. 57 candidates have the work experience in between 37 to 48 months. Then 136 candidates are over there with the work experience in between 13 to 24 months, and 22 candidates are over there having the work experience more than 48 months. If we consider the overall placements, then there are top 10% candidates got the average salary package of 49.3 lakhs per annum. Top 25% candidates are with the average salary package of 44.3 lakhs per annum. Top 50% candidates are with the average salary package of 40.5 lakhs per annum. Then top 80% candidates are with the average salary package of 34.6 lakhs per annum. If we consider the average salary package offered with this college, then it is nearly up to 32.2 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the median salary package, then it is nearly up to 30 lakhs per annum. Whereas if we consider it sector wise, then for the finance, the highest salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 53 lakhs per annum, and the median salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 30.9 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the top recruiters for finance, then those are Axis Bank, Barclays, HDFC Bank, IDFC First Bank, then S Bank, and there are so many companies. Then if we consider the consulting, then in consulting, the highest salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 45.3 lakhs per annum. And the median salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 33.5 lakhs per annum. If we consider the top recruiters for consulting, then those are Accenture, BCG, EY, Deloitte, Bain, and there are so many companies. Now if we consider the operations, then the highest salary package offered with the operations, it is nearly up to 49 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the median salary package, then it is nearly up to 34.1 lakhs per annum. And the top recruiters for operations are Amazon, Flipkart, Uber, and there are so many companies. If we consider the sales and marketing domain, then in that, the highest salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 1 crore. And if we consider the median salary package, then it is nearly up to 28.4 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the top recruiters, then those are P&G, Mars, Dabur, and there are so many companies. If we consider the IT and product management domain, then in that, the highest salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 55 lakhs per annum, and the median salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 34.3 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the top recruiters for this, then those are MakeMyTrip, Microsoft, Paytm, and there are so many companies. And if we consider the general management domain, then the highest salary package offered with this college for the general management, it is nearly up to 65 lakhs per annum. And the median salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 31.7 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the top recruiters for general management, then those are Adani, Capgemini, Reliance, TAS, and there are so many companies. So this is about the IIM Lucknow. Wish you all the very best for your VAT and PI preparation. If you have any doubts, any queries in this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.